We just pulled in over here off of Flat Shoals. I called the office and she told me to go look. But they had, the courtesy officer had stickered some vehicles to be towed. So I'm riding around to look for anything that's got stickers on it. It's a little different than normal. I don't have a list. So I'm looking for cars that have been stickered. That was stickered. Wrong tag on the vehicle. Tag expired. He must have run this through the DMV. That security officer's probably he's probably a police officer. And this tag does not go. He doesn't go to that tag does not go to that van. So we'll have to tow that one too. But we'll see how it pans out. Like I said, this area is kind of dangerous on this side of town, especially with all this all the animosity going on. With all this there's a no tagger right there. This car is all over this property. Got no tags, flat tires, stuff like that. The only problem is I think these property managers, there's flat tire, rough one over there, wrecked, flat tire. The only problem is I think the managers are probably very reluctant to tow any cars. They're probably scared somebody's going to try to burn the buildings down or burn the office down. I'm going to go over here into the office and sign this car out. Anyway, I'm pulling off down here. Heading back to the yard, but like I said, these properties are very they're nervous right now. Everybody's nervous. Like I said, two days ago, somebody pulled up and unloaded a gun, shot 5 people. It's either 5 people or 7 people. It's just really dangerous. There's been a lot of shootings going on. I mean, it's not Chicago, but it's Atlanta, and they're still shooting in Atlanta. Hey there, I'm back at the yard here. I got this big van. This van came from Flat Shoals Road down East Atlanta. Peace. Hey there, we're back again. Got another car that's a problem here. I'm at a church over here in Dunwoody, and this church has actually called the police out here and tried their best to find out who the owner is. They didn't want to tow the car. They can't find out who the owner is, and it's been here for several months. It's this little gold Altima, but the car's become a problem. They're doing construction and stuff, so the car's got to go. Like I said, they don't know whose car it is. It's been here for months. Anyway, we're gonna load it up and get it off the property. I've already signed all the paperwork and all that, so we're gonna go ahead and get it loaded. Anyway, this is what the parking space looks like. That's what it looks like when they sit there for several months. You can kind of gauge how long a car's been there by the parking spot that they were sitting at. This particular area right here has been really changed over the past couple of years. They've dumped an enormous amount of money in this area here. It's just unbelievable how many kind of buildings. It's just unbelievable the buildings that they've put up here. Sticker this car right here. The office manager just told me to sticker this car. They don't like this person parking in 2 parking places. Some people just think they can park any kind of way. That's not how it works. Those parking lines, those lines are there. They're put on there for a reason. Anyway, I'm gonna roll on out here and grab some impounds. I got 1, 2. There's 51 cars on this property that have been stickered to tow. That's an enormous amount of cars. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Hey there. Doing good. How you doing? Is this your cord?
It is. Look, I'm about to get it moved, okay? So y'all don't even have to tow it.
Well, listen, hey, let me make it real easy. All you gotta do is call the office. If you call and talk to them, they'll probably give you time to move it. But if you don't call them, I don't know how many trucks we're gonna have here, but if you want to call the office, like I said, they got 50 cars on the list, and nobody's calling to talk to them. Okay. If you let them know what's going on with the car and tell them you got somebody coming to get it, if you do, you know what I'm saying, just follow up and communicate with them. Okay. Because they're nice. They're not mean. The office ain't. You don't know whose that one is? I don't know. That was rough. It's got windows knocked out and everything else. Yeah, I'm about to get this. Just call them. Hey, just call the office. Okay. They're nice. You just got to talk to them. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Don't tailgate or I'll flick a booger on your windshield. That tracker, this has got to go. It's in the rough. What in the hell? This thing's got a bike. It's got a bike screwed to it. That's a first on that one. Going. That's fine. Just go by there. Like I said, they got a bunch of cars on the list. I don't have to. We don't just go out and yank cars. If people are out here that say, "Hey, it's my car," right. We're not trying to be mean. We're just cleaning the property up. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, have a good one. Yep. Anyway, basically when you got a property like this that's got 50 cars on it, if somebody comes out on you, unless you're hooked to it, you know, you just instruct them, you know, call the office and let them know what to do. You ain't gonna argue with these people about the cars. The property don't want no arguments or anything on any drama going down. So the best thing to do is instruct them to go talk to their office, and if the office decides to not tow it, they'll let us know. But if they decide that they want them gone, regardless of whether or not somebody's comes out, they'll also let us know about that. Hey there, we're back at the lot. Let me check my face, see if I got any grease on it. No, I ain't got too much grease on my face. Anyway, we're back at the lot. Things are picking up again. I wanted to do a shot of this vehicle right here. I don't know if you could really see it real well. But this is the one I brought in a little bit ago, and this is this bicycle. It's attached. It's attached to the vehicle. So that's a decoration, is what that is. This is a decoration on this vehicle. I don't know why anybody would put that on there, but this car right here is pretty special. It's got some stickers on the back too, but it was picked up by the Hero unit sometime or another. It's got some kind of sticker right there, something Trump. I don't know what it says about Trump, but it's got highly flammable. Looks like it's got some kind of sticker. Lost Dog Street Band. Anyway, I think those stickers are kind of interesting. But we do got, look, somebody busting windows out of this one. That's got a April tag on it, Wisconsin. I imagine that right there is that was probably a pissed off spouse. It usually is. Somebody got caught cheating or something. You know, got their windows knocked out of their car. But, well, I've got a ton of video clips to put on my channel. Well, the problem I got is time of getting these videos cut down. I probably got 10 terabytes worth of footage. Anyway, peace.